My name is Allison Seidel. I am the head of the event-driven platforms team at Vanguard within our Chief Technology Office. I act as both the manager and the product owner for our event-driven platform technologies, which include AWS EventBridge and Confluent. So when I was in high school, I realized I kept taking all of these business classes, and I really just liked the computers. So from there, I went to college to get a computer science degree, but really it came down to I loved solving problems that you can do with the mathematics and computer science. I think we're fostering diversity for women, but just all people at Vanguard and across the industry. We have various crew resource groups. We foster a mentoring culture, connection workshops, and annual internal events that I think have been great. I think it's key that we start to meet with each other, not just within our companies, but outside in the industries. It's not just that I meet with you once. Are we continuing that relationship? Are we sharing our findings and promoting each other? I think it revolves around building personal relationships, not just, on social media or in emails or ensuring that when they're not in the room, you're supporting them, but actually being direct and one-on-one with them, giving that feedback in a safe space if there's something that you need to improve on, or offering that encouragement. I think that us women in IT support each other more than we actually know. I think a lot of time, newer people to the field, they're hesitant. You don't want to sound like you don't know what you're talking about, but until you ask the question, you're not going to get the answer to gain the expertise. But also don't be afraid to reach out to other people. If you see somebody in your organization that's further in their career and you want to be like them and you know that's where you want to go, they're most likely willing to help, but you make of the relationship with anybody what you put into it. So you're never going to know if you don't ask.